So how do you identify poison oak? Well, there's a rhyme that people say. They say, leaves of 3, leave them be. So there's a pattern of 3 leaves, so take a look. Here is red leaves of 3 of poison oak, a group pattern of 3. You can see it over here as well. You see the three leaves growing together there. It can also be green. Look up on this one. See the leaves of 3 right there. Leaves of 3, leave them be. And on this one, you can see that it's changing. So there is some green leaves and red leaves all on the same group of leaves there. How do you tell the difference between poison oak and blackberry, which also has leaves of 3? So come over here and you can see the leaves of 3. Tilt the phone. Leaves of 3, that's the blackberry. And can you see the vine? The other part of the rhyme is, if it's hairy, it's a berry. So there is some thorns, that's the hairy part, on the vine of the blackberry. It also looks a little fuzzy on the blackberry, whereas on the poison oak over here, it looks more glossy or shiny than blackberry. The full rhyme is, leaves of 3, leave them be. If it's hairy, it's a berry. Poison oak can be red or green or another color in between, such as purple, yellow, or tangerine. Poison oak can also have little white berries with grooves on them that make them look like little white pumpkins. Poison oak leaves can also vary in shape and size. Here are some younger leaves that are narrower and pointier. And poison oak can climb trees also. All the vines that you see here are poison oak vines, and you don't want to touch the vines either because they can give you an itchy rash from the urushiol oil.